My coffee is too cold. Jack, can you look at this for a second?
Sure, what's wrong?
My coffee is cold. It's not hot at all.
Really? You just got it 5 minutes ago.
I know, I think they made a mistake.
Let me check. Yes, it's cold.
What should I do?
You can ask them to make a new one.
Do you think they will do that for free?
Yes, this is their mistake, not yours.
Okay, I will go ask.
Wait, tell them exactly what happened.
What do I say?
Say, my coffee is cold. Can you make a new one?
That sounds easy. Let's go together.
Sure, I'll come with you.
Excuse me, my coffee is cold.
I'm sorry about that. What did you order?
A medium latte with 2 sugars.
No problem. We can remake it.
Thank you. Can it be extra hot this time?
Yes, extra hot, no problem.
Also, can I change the size?
Sure, what size do you want?
A large, please.
A large is $2 more.
That's fine. I don't mind.
Okay, large latte, extra hot, 2 sugars.
Yes, that's right.
Do you want the same milk?
What kinds of milk do you have?
Whole milk, oat milk, and almond milk.
Sea soap milk more expensive?
Yes, 50 cents more.
I'll just keep whole milk then.
Okay, whole milk it is.
How long will it take?
About 3 minutes.
That's fast. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait over there.
Jack, let's sit down while we wait.
Good idea. This table is free.
I'm a little worried it will be cold again.
Don't worry, they said extra hot.
True, but sometimes they forget.
If it happens again, just tell them.
Okay, I will.
Do you want a snack while we wait?
What snacks do they have?
Muffins, cookies, and croissants.
How much is a croissant?
$3.
That's a bit expensive.
The muffins are cheaper, $2.
What flavor are the muffins?
Blueberry and chocolate chip.
I'll try a blueberry muffin.
Good choice. I'll get one too.
Can we split one instead?
Sure, that saves money.
Great, let's just get one muffin.
Okay, I'll go order it.
Thanks, Jack.
No problem. Wait here.
Here comes your latte.
Is it hot this time?
Let me check. Yes, it's hot now.
Perfect. Be careful, it's very hot.
I will. Thank you for waiting with me.
Of course, here's the muffin too.
It looks fresh.
Yes, it just came out of the oven.
Should we eat here or take it outside?
It's nice outside today. Let's sit outside.
Good idea. There's more space too.
Let's grab napkins first.
Good thinking. I'll get some.
I'll carry the coffee.
Careful. Don't spill it.
I won't. I'm walking slowly.
This table outside looks nice.
Yes, and it's in the shade.
Perfect. Not too hot in the sun.
Let's sit here then.
Okay. Finally, I can enjoy my coffee.
How is it now?
It's really hot. Maybe too hot.
Just wait a minute before drinking.
Good idea. I don't want to burn my tongue.
Last time that happened to me too.
Really? What did you do?
I added a little cold milk.
That's smart. Should I do that?
Yes, it cools it down fast.
Okay, let me try that.
Better now?
Yes, much better. Thank you.
No problem.
This muffin is really good.
I know the blueberries are fresh.
Do you want the other half?
Sure, thanks for sharing.
Of course.
So, is your coffee good now?
Yes, it's perfect. Not cold, not too hot.
I'm glad it worked out.
Me too. Thanks for coming with me.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
Next time, I'll check it before I sit down.
Good idea. Then you won't waste time.
True. Lesson learned.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every week.
Is the coffee usually good?
Yes, today was just bad luck.
That happens sometimes?
At least they fixed it quickly.
Yes, the staff here are nice.
I agree. I'll come back again.
Me too. Maybe next weekend?
Sounds good. Same time?
Sure, same time works for me.
Great. It's a plan.
Should we finish our coffee first?
Yes. Let's enjoy it while it's warm.
Agreed. No rush today.
This was a nice break.
Yes, even with the cold coffee problem.
Ha, true. It turned out fine.
That's the important thing.
Thanks again, Jack.
You're welcome, Molly.
Let's finish up and head out.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
All right, let's go.
See you next weekend then.
See you then. Bye, Jack.
Bye, Molly.